Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do some Guyanese style poor man dinner. So I had this as a child a lot. So this is your ingredients. I already peeled the garlic, corned beef. I love Libby's because it tastes good. This is the hot sauce. This is Larry's, and you can use any rice you want, but I eat basmati rice. So I'm gonna just cut this up and then open this can. So now I'm gonna turn the camera around. Lego. So here we go. So when I was younger and I grew up like basically around the corner from the projects, we didn't have a lot of money, obviously. So we ate this a lot. Now, Libby's corned beef is, to me, it tastes good, but I'm not sure your preference. But it's not too salty. I'm guessing the ketchup and the potatoes, like, they suck out the salt. But I really like it. Now, let's cut up the seasoning. So I have first I open the can because sometimes that thing breaks. So y'all be careful. Okay, I showed you how to open it, peel it slowly. So this is all my condiments. Okay. So I'm gonna cut up I peeled the garlic off camera because that was gonna take too long. And I cut up the white onions and then the tomatoes. So you already know, you gotta have your seasoning. I have my Larry's, and I've added some parsley flakes because I just love parsley flakes. I can resist, but I didn't have that growing up, so that's just me adding it in. Okay, you know, I had to put a little Maya mix on it. But this is what they call in the West Indies poor man dinner. I'm not trying to offend nobody, but growing up we was poor, so I don't know what anybody think, but that's what it was. Yeah. So I just had to share this because I know a lot of West Indians, like a lot of Trinidadians. I'm Guyanese. That's why I said it's Guyanese style, but a lot of Trinidadians, a lot of people from like where I would say like St. Vincent, Barbados, St. Lucia, Puerto Rico, a couple of different places, you know, like what they consider like the West Indies. Mommy. I didn't say Puerto Rican, but yes. Okay. But, you know. So I was going to do a voiceover. I was going to do a music, but I was like, let me do a voiceover. Because I had to explain this. But it's basic. It's really simple. It's basic ingredients, you know. Rice, you can have white rice, use whatever rice you like. You know, I'm not telling you what rice to use. This is the type of rice I like to use right now. But back then, we ain't had no basmati. You understand? We had rice, parboiled rice. That's what West Indians eat, parboiled rice. 5-pound, 10-pound bags. I mean, it's going with anything. Peas and rice, rice and peas, however you say it. Anything, cook up rice, you know, anything. But today, our meal of choice is corned beef and rice. So basically, if you just have corned beef in the cupboard and rice, that's it. That's what you're doing. You put some ketchup on it and that's it. You're done. You know what I'm saying? But to me, corned beef nowadays is like $6. Back then it was like $2, $3, like $2.50 something, $2.19. I don't know. You know, the economy changed, but back then you could basically get rice with corned beef and rice. That would cost you probably like $5 total because the bag of rice, a small bag, is like one something, and then or $1 or something like that. Now Dollar Tree, we didn't have Dollar Tree back then, but Dollar Tree, they sell bags of rice for $1. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's not get off topic. So we just cutting this up and then we're gonna put it in, you know what I'm saying? Chop it up nice. So who else runs onions under cold water to stop your eyes from running water, but it still run? I don't get it. It still runs water. So where's the scene? Mommy. Yo, what happened? Jeez. Anywho, that's what I'm saying. So I'm peeling the potato. I forgot in the introduction picture that you see, the thumbnail, I forgot to put potatoes because, you know, I was just going to do the corned beef and rice. But then I'm like, sometimes some people have a little more than others. You understand? So you could put the potatoes in there. But if you don't have it, you don't have it. Some people put cabbage and corned beef. That's not, I don't like that. But so I didn't do it. And that's not no budget. That's not no poor man dinner. The poor man dinner is the cabbage, is the corned beef and rice. I'm saying cabbage because I'm looking at some cabbage thing. Chicken and cabbage and chicken. That's what I was gonna say. So cabbage and chicken, some people eat when they have it, right? But that's neither here nor there. Now, me, I'm good with the knives. You know, I love me some knives, some nice sharp knife. It go ching 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 ching. You know what I'm saying? I know I got in trouble when I was younger for cutting people with knives, but oh, how people change. I love it. But you see, I'll just chop this up, cut it up. I don't need no cutting board. We doing this. This is how you do it. This is how it's done. Real thing. Is cut it up, then wash your rice. Obviously. I wash it like 3 times. 2-3 times. 4 times sometimes. If the rice is, you know, messy. But basmati is not really messy. It's not. I think it's already half cooked rice. You know what I'm saying? So it's not really messy and dirty like regular rice. Yeah. It ain't dirty. Now let's see. After this, we get the water boiling. Yeah. Yeah. They go to rice. You just put it in nice and cute. Don't make no splashing. Because I don't want no hot water burning me. So you just put it in. Scoop it in there. All nice and cute. But yeah, if you just want to drop it in. See, I was using my hand to record because my ring light broke. My neighbor broke it. So I never got it back. So whatever. And now we put in some. I use olive oil. Y'all know, extra light. Extra virgin olive oil. That's what I use. But you could use regular canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you like. Sunflower oil, you know, seed oil, whatever. Do what you like to do, okay? Butter, it doesn't matter. Margarine, I don't know. Do what you want. But listen to this. You understand? Who else loves that sizzling noise? I don't care what you're cooking. If you're doing an omelet, if you just frying up, I don't know, scallions, I don't know. That sizzling, it gets me every time. But anyway, you just put it all in the pot, you know, watch it sizzle. Then add in the corned beef. Yes, just add it in. See how I slice it all nice and pretty? But yeah, if you just want to open it, drop it in the pot, do what you like to do, because this is not a cooking channel and ain't nobody got time for that. So I just mash it up after this, you know. Some people add a little water. I didn't. I don't need all of that because the tomato, it makes its own water. So I just put it in, then I add some ketchup, as you see. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for watching, guys. This is the dinner. And it was so delicious and nutritious. I'll put a little parsley flakes to make it look nice and delightful. You're going to see. You see the potatoes. You see the parsley in there. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Delicious. Oh, my God. Look at the rice. What? After that, I'm going to strain the rice. That's how we do it. Put it in a strainer. Run it under cold water. And put it back in the pot on low. And let it just steam out the water in the rice. That's how we cook rice. Well, that's how Guyanese people cook rice. I don't know how any other country cook it. I know Jamaicans like to steam their rice, cover it up with foil and all of this and that and the third. I'm not doing that. But, ooh, yes. Yes, hunty. Look at this. So pretty. I feel pretty. Oh, so pretty. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, donating to my channel. Wishing y'all love and light and love. Protect your energy. Namaste, guys.